today we are going to unbox present from Toys R Us. As you can see, we bought a toy at Toys R Us, and I am going to open it. So let's open it. Yay! What is it? How do I open this? Wait, I think I know. Yay! Come on, guys, let's open the present. Oh, wow! And we got this, and we got this. They look very nice. Smash it open. First, let's open this one. What do I get? Wait, I will just go get scissors. Get scissors. Okay, it's time to open the Roblox. Okay, what do I have? Collect all 8 hangers. Wow! Okay, what did I get? Oh, I got the banana guy. This monkey. There's a reloaded monkey. I like this. Hey, I like this. Wait. Yay! I got monkey. Hey guys. We got the monkey, guys. Pa! I got the monkey.
Oh, it's a keychain. It's for a car.
What do you mean? Oh, that's cool. A car? Oh, wait, there's also a virtual gun. Where's that from reading? Okay guys, so I got the code. Okay, as you can see, I got the code. Let's use monkey's gun. Okay. Let's use monkey's gun. Oh wait, I think I'm set. Oh, that looks very nice. Oh wait, Pa! Here's the code.
Is that Roblox or Minecraft?
Wait, Roblox. I'll enter it in. Wait. I will get my phone because I will redeem the code. Okay guys, I got my phone. It's time to redeem. Wait, not yet. Wait. Okay. Just where's that? Just. slash read. Ah! Ah! Wait, what? Whatever. Okay, so wait. Okay, I have the Roblox. Ah! I have the Roblox on my phone. How do we do that? I entered jazzware.com. It's just a website where you can just see hold on, just wait. It's just a website where you look at buy it's not really it's just I entered it there.
Let me see the phone.
Okay. Sorry guys if that took you too long. Come on, let's just open the other toy.
What's inside?
Wait.
What's inside?
Oh. I opened it.
Banana.
Wait, banana guys.
Is this from Monkey Box or not?
Monkey.
No?
It's monkey. It is the I got this one.
Wow, this is nice.
Monkey. It is the monkey. Wait, I think
Hey, you can hang this. It's about no because someone might take it.
okay. Ay, it's hard to
This is so expensive for its price, huh?
wait.
Let's spill it. Use your yeah, that's how you do it. See, you can do it because you don't have nails. See? Like this. Oh.
Okay, wait. Open. Okay. You need to punch
And
it.
then you say hi guys,
Wait.
like that.
I said hi guys.
Yeah. No, put some energy. Say hi guys.
Wait, that looks nice.
Say hi guys.
Instead of just punching it, just open it like this.
You have to.
But whatever, I will just punch it. Wait, that's better. Oh, what did I get? I got something. Wait, where's the season? I got it. I got the character. I got the toy. Okay, I got the toy. I get it. That's very nice. Okay, so we got the monkey guy and we got whoever this is. I don't know her name. Wait, let me just see. Satisfying. ASMR. Wait, I got Coco.
Wait. Yo.
200 there.
Ano ba siya, Roblox?
Hindi naman ito Roblox.
It's a Roblox.
May redeem.
Meron din.
Jazzware.
So,
Ay.
wait. Oh, that's nice. You got Monkey, Coco, whoever else is here. Wait, first. We got Coco. Coco. got the cocoa. Ma, I got the gift. Ma, I got.
Smells good.
Yeah, wait. I check. Wait. Wait. Just put the mark inside. I got the cocoa. I checked the characters. And
Did you gargle?
huh?
Did you gargle?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Very well.
Yes.
Okay. Finish that.
What's your Roblox name? Man,
Hmm?
what's your Roblox game? Name? Is this your Roblox name? Is it RKLG? It's different. This is RKLG for AC. This one is RKLG only.
Actually, I made a new account.
Why? We already spent money on this account. You still have access to this one?
Which one?
The old one?
Okay, so what password did I use on the old one?
Oh, what's your password here? You have to be doing this way.
I'm supposed to. Yeah. Oh, I did not punch it. Just put it back.
I'm being done.
Okay.
I'm being done.
Wait, not Lobot.